So, hello everyone. My name is Anupur and I'll be talking to you guys about the apartment that I'm living in right now. And I'll show you my apartment. I'll give you a small tour of my apartment. I'll tell you what services that are included in this apartment, what is the laundry situation, and some other perks that I get with this apartment. Also, obviously the rent. The rent is 350 euros, close to 350 euros. I would say like 338 euros. So yeah, so 350 euros I pay monthly for this accommodation. And it's a 6 room apartment, so there are like 5 other people who share the kitchen with me, and the bathroom obviously. So yeah, that's how I live here, and I'll show you how it looks. So, good with this apartment is I don't have to clean the bathroom and the kitchen. That's like house help comes and they did it for us, and they does it for us, and that's like really great for, you know, for a student, because you cannot always keep your surroundings clean. You just have to clean your room. That's a good thing for me. And second thing that I like about this apartment is it comes with a gym. Yeah. So all you have to do is like register yourself at the housemeisters, and I don't know, like you can just use the gym. So this is the entrance to my apartment corridor, and this is the kitchen. It's not really very clean right now, so please excuse this. So those are all my stuff and that's the fridge. And I think right now I'm the only one living in this apartment. All my other flatmates have like they were like Erasmus students, so they have all left the building, like left their apartments, and they have moved back to their countries. And this is how my room looks like. So yeah, I have some boxes over there, so I just have to throw them out. So yeah, and yeah, this is my cupboard. I don't know why it's open, so I just close it. And that's how my room looks like. So it comes with 2 washrooms. So this is the first one, the pot and the, you know, wash basin. And this is the second one, the big one, where we only have 1 bath. So this is like the really small, and that's me. Alright, so this is how it looks, and that's another toilet over there, and that's it. So that's my room, that's the kitchen over there, that's the bathroom, and that's it.